Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, my students, to the class of accounting. Hope you are all fine. Really working hard for your exams and preparing well for your subject accounting. I'm your course instructor, Mr. Mara Mahmood, and today we will discuss this chapter, distribution, profit and loss. This is your syllabus topic, like we are discussing profit and loss, chapter 2. So, like from the syllabus point of view, and your book course chapter is 6. So, like, let's start this chapter, but keep this thing in mind that you must know the theoretical background of this chapter very well, because once you understand the theoretical backgrounds, it will help you in solving your multiple choice questions and to understand the exam questions very well. Let's start. The format, you are all well aware about the format of income distribution summary, plus you are aware about the journal entries. Journal entries, we have two ways, fluctuating and fixed, and in fluctuating we have two ways to go, whether it can be profit or it can be loss. Simultaneously in fixed we have, it can be profit or it can be loss. Now let's start towards your book question. This is on third edition, problem number 5, on book page number 149. Those who having the fourth edition, the new one, they can take the picture or they can watch the video again to solve this question. It is a good question. That's why I picked it up from the third edition. So I start my question. We have X, Y, and Z are in partnership with capitals of 50,000, 60,000, 20,000, and their drawings are 10,000 for X, Y for 5,000, Z for 5,000. In this question, we have given the three capitals of the partners. Simultaneously, three drawings of the partners are also given. The condition is as follows. We have adjustment interest on partners capital should be provided 5% PA. It should be a per annum, it means per year. Okay, whenever they write the word PA, it means it is yearly. Then second one, it is each partner is allowed a salary 2000 PM. It is your per month. It here you have to multiply it by 12, because starting month is not given and ending month is also not given. So you have to multiply it by 12. X is entitled to a commission. Here I cut this question. You don't need to follow this. You have to follow like X is entitled to a commission 6,000. Then we have interest on partners drawing should be provided 10% PA. Like interest on drawings, you have these drawings for the partners 10,000, 5,000, and then 5,000, and you have to apply 10% on it. So 10,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 you have to do. Then you have to do 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, and then 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. Clear? Then in the next we have another adjustment, 20% of the net profit you have to keep for reserve after charging the above provision. It means first of all you have to apply all these adjustment, then your answer of net profit will become, then you will charge reserve fund. I will discuss in the solution also, but first you have to apply these two, and then you will find the remaining net profit and then apply 20% to get the reserve fund. Now what is reserve fund? Reserve fund is the amount we saved us, or it is a fund that we reserve for our rainy days, that usually a business should keep their reserve for safety and security measures. Then we have last condition, remaining net profit and loss after charging the above provision. Here they use the word after charging above provision. It means after performing the above adjustment. Provision are basically your adjustment, your above calculations. If any are shared equally, it means remaining net profit should be shared equally. In the end, they have given you profit for the year, that is your 96,000. Now come towards your required part, prepare income distribution summary showing the distribution of income. Then you have to prepare the general journal, and they give you two ways, from the fluctuating and fixed. This is your required part in the examination, as I discussed with you. This is your format, you all are well aware. Now come towards the net income, which is given in the question. We have, first of all, I write it down here. You have to mention the particulars where I'm moving my cursor. then we have three partners X, Y, and Z, and the total. You have to mention also the capitals at the top. Here it is not mentioned, but you have to write the capitals also for the each partner and then close it. Net income is 96,000. Then we have interest on capital. How we will calculating interest? You have to show the working for the interest. Interest is 5% per annum, and this interest should be on 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. Multiply by 5 and then divided by 100. So the amounts will be in the question is 2,500, 1,500, and 1,000. You have to show working for this. Then we have salaries. Salaries is again you have to multiply it by 2. What are the values of salaries? It is your 2,000, I think so. So yes, it is 2,000 per month. Yes, so per month salaries. Now what I have to do, you have to show the working over here. 2,000 multiplied by 12, and then you get 24,000 for X, 24,000 for Y, and 24,000 for Z. Commission, directly you have to write it down the value 6,000, as I told you, to cut that adjustment little bit changing, and then you have to cut this value also. No need to go through this. This is some error in the question, that's why I asked you to cut it down. You have to write commission, write it down the value 6,000. Then we have interest. Interest is how much interest we have to charge. We have to charge interest. Let's see, go at the back, and then we will see interest on partners drawing is 10%. 10,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, we have 1,000. 5,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, we have 500, and same as like for the Mr. Z. So let's check the values. Interest on drawing is we always less the interest. Interest on capital should be add, and interest on drawing should be less. You can write it down in your key points in your registered notes, that what are the points I discussed with you. Whenever we have interest on drawings, we always less this, we all add these values and less interest on drawing. We will add 2,500, 24,000, and 6,000, but we will add we will less interest on drawing. Then again I will put all the interest in negative values, and then what I will do, I will add these two and minus 500, and then I got the vertical calculations answer. After vertical calculations, we have horizontal calculations: 31,500, 25,000, 24,500. I got the value over here, 81,000. So you have 96,000 less 81,000. Your answer is 15,000, and this will be your remaining net profit. There is another condition that reserve fund 20% should be charged. I put question mark here, that how I calculate this. This is your remaining net income. I apply 20% on it, and then I get the value 3,000. So 15,000 minus 3,000. Now remaining net profit come over here, 12,000. In the previous questions, in the previous videos which I have discussed with you, we don't have this reserve fund. So we apply 15,000 and then we directly distribute this 15,000. But here in the question, there is another adjustment in which they ask you for the reserve fund after distribution of above provisions and above adjustment. I'm moving my cursors. So we have distributed this adjustment, and now we get the value of net profit, and this net profit value is 15,000. Now I have to apply 20% on it, and the value of this reserve fund is 3,000. I always less my reserve fund because I keep them at a side. ठीक है, हम हमेशा अपने रिजर्व फंड को उठा के रख लेते हैं, अलग कर लेते हैं अपने रिमेनिंग नेट इनकम में से. सो आई कीप इट एट अ साइड, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस दिस 15,000 minus 3,000, I got the value 12,000. Now we have to follow the condition which they have given you. Distribution is equally. So 4,000, 12,000 divided by 3, I get the value 4,000 for each partner. Now again come towards your vertical calculation. 31,500 plus 4,000, we have 35,500. 25,000 plus 4,000, we have 29,000. 24,500 plus 4,000, we have 28,500. After vertical calculation, there is a time for the verification. For the horizontal calculation, I apply horizontal calculation for the verification. 35,500, 29,000, 28,500, your answer should be equal to your net income, that is your 96,000. Hope it is clear to you. This will be your journal entry from the fluctuating, from net loss and net profit, you all know. Then we have, this will be your journal entry. As in this question we have net profit, so I prepared my journal entry, profit and loss account 96,000 debited, and then capitals of the partners are credited, plus reserve fund we have to write it down also credited, because this reserve fund we have less from this now, so that's why I put it in my credited side, because it is already in the firm, it is existing right now in the firm. This is from the current account, like this is you have done from the fluctuating capital method from the net profit, and then this is from the fixed capital method from the net profit, both the entries from the for the net profit. So again, profit loss account is debited, current accounts is credited, and reserve fund is also credited. This is the question which you have to attempt for your practice. Like you have to attempt question number 5, mention book page number 149. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any queries, I am here for you. You can ask any questions from me. So hope so you like this video, you will understand this question very well, and I try my best to explain you the deep tips and techniques of this question. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this video.